Good morning, students. Let's start our today's class. Okay, we have started this chapter acid, bases, and salts. Okay, in this chapter we have learned about acids, bases. What is the acid? The substance that sure in taste. Okay, it's called acids. And जो acids का chemical nature है, it's called acidic. Okay, and the bases that bitter in taste. Okay, and feel soapy when we touch it, that is base. And then the chemical nature of bases is basic. Okay, and we have learned about some indicators. Like indicators means the substance that used to indicate the base and the acids. Okay, it's called indicators. And we have learned that some indicators like turmeric, litmus, china rose, and china rose petal, also called hibiscus, or it's also called gudhal. Okay, and we have seen some exercises. Okay, or activities, and I have told you that learn this table. Okay, and also note down this table in your notebooks. And we have learned about we have see there are some activities, and I'll told you that perform this activity at your home. Okay, and I'll show you the activity of हिबिस्कस पैटल. ओके, हिबिस्कस पैटल का जो एज अ इंडिकेटर हम यूज़ करते हैं, वो एक्टिविटी भी मैंने आपको दिस एक्टिविटी ये मैंने करके बता भी दिया है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टुडेज क्लास. ओके, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इन दिस चैप्टर. सो वी हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम हियर. So there is the another activity, and in this activity we need some chemicals. So we don't have chemicals this time, so just skip this activity. Okay, we will continue this activity when we are in our school. Okay, so let's see what is the next. Look at in this box. Are you familiar with the term acid rain? Have you ever heard about the damaging effects of acid rain? Okay, as the name indicates, the rain containing excess of acid is called an acid rain. Have you ever heard the word acid rain? कभी सुना है that acid rain से काफ़ी सारे effects हुए हैं, काफ़ी सारे damagings हुए हैं. So as the name of indicate the rain containing excess of acid. Okay, the rain which has contain excess of acid, मतलब excess के उसमें कुछ amount होता है, that's called acid rain. Okay, where do this acid comes from? Now the question is, in clouds and in rain, where these acids comes from? So the rain become acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutes. Okay, so the air pollutions के through the some gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxides, ये जैसे वेपर्स जाके क्लाउड्स में मिक्स होते हैं, वैसे ही एयर में भी ये सारी गैसेस एज अ पोल्यूटेंट प्रेजेंट होती हैं. एंड इससे ही फिर क्या होती हैं, एंड देन डिजॉल्व इन रेन ड्रॉप्स फॉर टू फॉर्म कार्बोनिक एसिड. एंड देन ये रेन में डिजॉल्व होकर एक एसिड बनाती हैं, दैट इज कार्बोनिक एसिड, सल्फोनिक एसिड, एंड नाइट्रिक एसिड. ओके, द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड क्या बनाएगी? कार्बोनिक एसिड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड सल्फोनिक एसिड, एंड द sulfuric acid, and then nitrogen oxide, nitric acid. Okay, and acid rain can cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. Okay, acid rains बहुत ज़्यादा डैमेजेस करती है, मीन्स हर टाइप से वो डैमेज करती है. इट डैमेज टू बिल्डिंग्स, historic monuments, plants and animals also. Okay, let's see the question. Great care should be taken while handling laboratory acid and bases because these are cursive in nature, irritating and harmful to skin. Okay, this is caution for in lab. When we in lab and when we perform any experiment, so be careful. ओके हमें केयरफुल रहना चाहिए एसिड एंड बेसिस से बिकॉज दैट आर हार्मफुल फॉर अस. सो the next topic is neutralization. Okay, let's see what is neutralization. The neutralization, we have learned that the acid turns blue litmus and basis turns red litmus blue. We know that the acid turns blue litmus into red color and the basis turns red litmus into blue color. So let us see what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. So now think what will happen when you mix acids into bases. जब हम acid and bases को mix करेंगे, let's see क्या होता है. So we are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. Okay, यहाँ पर हम एक इंडिकेटर यूज़ करेंगे. द इंडिकेटर इज़ phenolphthalein. ओके, for this there is a activity. Okay, I'll explain you this activity. Okay, and we will not perform this activity. So let's see, to be demonstrated by the teacher in the class, and this time I can't demonstrate this, I'll only explain it. Okay, so full 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Okay, firstly हम in this activity I'll explain you in short. In this activity we take some acid in a test tube. Okay, and in another activity another test tube we have bases. Okay, let's see this is a test tube. In this test tube we have acid and indicator. Okay, see, in this test tube we have acid acid and indicator. Okay, and we mix base on it. Okay, when we mix base it turns into this dark purple color. Okay, light purple color. Can you see it? So let's read. When an acid solution is mixed with a base solution, both the solution neutralize the effect of each other. Okay, when an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in solution suitable amount, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of base are destroyed. Okay, it means when we mix acid solution into a basic solution, जब भी हम दोनों solutions को mix करते हैं, they get neutralized. Okay, दोनों ही एक दूसरे के effect को neutralize कर देते हैं. But the condition is the both solution present in इक्वल अमाउंट. ओके, जो जितना अमाउंट हम एसिड्स का ले रहे हैं सेम अमाउंट में हमारे पास में बेसिस होना चाहिए. सो ये दोनों ही अपने अपने नेचर को, द एसिडिक नेचर एंड द बेसिक नेचर, दे ऑल आर डिस्ट्रॉयड. ये एसिड और बेसिस अपने अपने नेचर को, दोनों ही एक दूसरे के नेचर्स को डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं. हाँ, ओके, सो द नेचर ऑफ द बेस आर डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है उनका नेचर. मतलब जो एसिड्स हैं, जो हमें पता है एसिड्स का जो नेचर है एंड बेसिस का जो नेचर है, जब हम दोनों को ही मिक्स करते हैं तो दोनों का ही जो नेचर्स हैं वो डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं और हमारे पास में एक अलग ही टाइप का सॉल्यूशन मिलता है हमें. ओके, सो ये सॉल्यूशन ना एसिड होता है ना बेस होता है. ये ना ही रेड लिटमस को ब्लू करता है ना ही ब्लू को रेड करता है. ओके, इन दिस सॉल्यूशन जो लिटमस पेपर है, अगर हम रेड डिप करेंगे तो वो रेड ही रहेगा, एंड वी डिप द रेड ब्लू लिटमस वो ब्लू ही रहेगा. ओके, सो द रिजल्टिंग सॉल्यूशन इज नाइदर एसिडिक और नॉर बेसिक. ओके, जो रिजल्ट मिलेगा हमें सॉल्यूशन का एसिड एंड बेसिस का मिक्स, दैट इज नाइदर अ एसिड और नाइदर एन एसिड एंड नॉर अ basic. So touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat is always produced or evolved. Okay, the evolved heat rise the temperature of the reaction mixture. So the mixture, वो जो mixture है, the acid and basis का जो mixture है, the solution है, this solution releases हीट. ओके, ये हीट रिलीज़ करता है एंड देन जो हीट होती है उससे उसका जो हीट रिलीज़ होती है उससे उसका टेम्परेचर थोड़ा सा राइज मीन्स बढ़ जाता है. सो ओके, तो जब हम वो जिस भी टेस्ट ट्यूब में हम ये सोल्यूशन को मिक्स करेंगे, वो टेस्ट ट्यूब हमें थोड़ी सी वार्म फील होगी. ठीक है, थोड़ी सी उसमें हीट रहेगी. इन न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन अ न्यू substance is formed. This is called salt. Okay, in this neutralization process, in this activity, in this process, जो रिएक्शन होती है न्यूट्रलाइजेशन की, उससे हमें एक न्यू सब्सटेंस मिलता है. इट्स कॉल्ड आ सॉल्ट. ओके, सॉल्ट मे बी एसिडिक, बेसिडिक और न्यूट्रल इन नेचर. ओके, सॉल्ट एसिडिक भी हो सकता है, बेसिक भी हो सकता है और न्यूट्रल मीन्स दोनों ही उसमें जो उनके नेचर से वो दोनों ही प्रेजेंट ना हो, ऐसे नेचर का भी वो हो सकता है. दस न्यूट्रलाइजेशन कैन बी डिफाइन एज फॉलोज. ओके, सो इसके ही अकॉर्डिंग न्यूट्रलाइजेशंस को डिफाइन किया है. सो लेट्स सी, the reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Okay, the reaction between an acid and a base, acid and base के बीच में जो भी reaction होती है, it's known as neutralization. Okay, salt and water are produced in this process. In neutralization we get salt and water with the evolution of heat. Okay, और इसमें हीट का भी इवोल्यूशन होता है. सो लेट्स सी दिस रिएक्शन एसिड प्लस बेस. when we mix acid and base we get salt and water and heat evolves. Okay, the following reaction is an example. और यहाँ पर जो हमने एसिड एंड बेसिस की रिएक्शन देखी है उसका एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं हम. लेट्स सी, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड means HCl and sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydroxide is base. Okay, so we get sodium chloride NaCl. NaCl is a chemical formula of salt. Okay, just note down it. This is the chemical name. Sodium chloride is the chemical name of salt and NaCl is a chemical formula of salt. Okay, and water, we get water, and we know that the H2 is the chemical formula of water. Okay, so this is the activity and the example of acid and base solutions. So we mix HCl into NaOH and we get NaCl and water. Okay, so Bujo added dilute sulfuric acid to lime water. Will the reaction mixture become hot or cool? When we mix dilute सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को लाइम वाटर पे डालेंगे तो व्हाट विल हैपन, द मिक्सचर बिकम हॉट. लेट्स सी, न्यूट्रलाइजेशन इन एवरीडे लाइफ. In our everyday life we have seen so many neutralization processes or reactions. So let's see the reactions. or okay, तो indigestion, see indigestion, and this reaction happen in our stomach. Okay, so see, our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. हमारे, we know that in our stomach, we have read about it, that in our stomach some the hydrochloric acid present. Okay, and these acid helps in digesting our food. So it helps us to digest food. Yes, we know that, as we have learned in chapter 2. Okay, we have learned this in chapter 2 in the digestion. Okay, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Okay, sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, which contain magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the acids of excessive acid. Okay, in our stomach, hydrochloric acid used to digest the food, but sometimes the acid समटाइम्स एसिड टू मतलब ये जो एसिड है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. सो मतलब डाइजेशन के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है. सो दैट इज़ पेनफुल फॉर अस. सो फॉर this we take some medicine, and the medicine is in this medicine magnesium hydroxide is present. Okay, so these hydroxide neutralize the effect of these acid. Okay, and next the ant bite. Let's see. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid formic acid. Okay, when कभी एंट ने कट किया है, व्हेन एंट्स बाइट इट्स हार्मफुल. ओके, एंड व्हेन ant inject their dungs in our body, it release some acid. Okay, liquid as acidic liquid, that is formic acid, into the skin. Okay, the effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, okay, or calamine solution, which calamines zinc carbonate. When ants bite us, it's so harmful. Okay, and we rub the baking soda on it. Okay, and then baking soda is baking soda is a basic nature. Okay, and the ants when ants bite in our skin, it release some acid. So in acid, when we put some bases, so it get neutralized. Okay, and then एसिड का जो इफेक्ट है वो कम हो जाता है एंड हमें पेन नहीं होता. नेक्स्ट सोल्यूशन इज सॉइल ट्रीटमेंट. लेट्स सी. एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर मेक द सॉइल एसिडिक. Plant do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with base like quicklime or slag lime, calcium hydroxide. Okay, the excessive use of chemical fertilizers. Generally the farmers use fertilizers for the crops. Okay, but the excessive amount of chemical fertilizers is harmful for soil and harmful for plants. So plants do not grow well. Plants properly grow नहीं करते हैं when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. Okay, so when the soil is too acidic, इसे ट्रीट करते हैं with some bases like calcium oxide and calcium hydroxide. Okay, and if the soil is too basic, it treated with organic matters like compost. Okay, when it is too basic, so it treats with organic matter like compost. Okay, organic matter release acid which neutralized the basic nature of the soil. Now the factory waste. Okay, in factory so many chemical releases. Okay. So let's see. The wastage of many factories contain acid. So मैं जो फैक्ट्री से जितने भी वेस्ट निकलता है, it contains acids. Okay, if they are allowed to flow in the water body, all the water will get acidic, and all the water animal and organisms that are live in water, they may get harm, or maybe they get die. Okay, so for this the factory wastes are therefore neutralized by adding basic substances. Okay, for treating for this, they mixed some bases on it and then they get neutralized. Okay, so here our chapter is ended. So let's see the main points. Okay, in this chapter we have learned about acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste and soapy, है ना, and the bases are soapy when we touch it. Acid turns blue litmus into red and bases turns red litmus into blue. Substances which are neither acidic or nor bases are called neutral. Okay, and in the process of mixing acids and bases, it's called neutralization. Okay, next, solution of substances that shows different color in acidic, basis or neutral solution are called indicator. Solutions जो different color show करते हैं acid, basis and neutral solution के, that called indicators. An acid and a base neutralize each other and form a salt, है ना. Acids and bases एक दूसरे के इफेक्ट्स को क्या करते हैं, न्यूट्रल करते हैं, एंड दे फॉर्म अ सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. अ सॉल्ट मे बी एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल. सॉल्ट एसिडिक, बेसिक और न्यूट्रल हो सकता है, बट वाटर नहीं. ओके, so let's see the keywords. Acid, we know acid, acidic, base and basics. Indicators, neutrals. All the terms अभी हमने in short, all the terms we learn in this learning keys or learning points. Okay, now the exercise time. State differences between acidic and base. The differences between acidic and bases. The acids are sour in taste and bases are bitter in taste. And then examples, and then the litmus test. Acids turn blue litmus into red and bases turn red litmus into blue. That are the differences. Okay, just try to write all the exercise in all the chapters. Just try to do your own answers. Okay, and अगर इसमें कोई फॉल्ट हुआ, करेक्शंस हुआ, मैं तो आंसर्स देती हूँ, तो उससे हम मैच कर सकते हैं, बट परफॉर्म योर ओन आंसर्स. ओके, and then the second question. Ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaner. It turns red litmus into blue. What its nature? It turns red litmus. Okay, it turns red litmus into blue. It means that is our basic nature. Okay, name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. Litmus solution obtained from lichens. What is the use of the solution? This solution used to indicate that the solution is either acid or base. Okay, next question is the distilled water acidic, basic or neutral. How would you verify it? A distilled water, is it acidic, basic or neutral? How we taste it? We taste this water with the help of some indicators. Okay, when we use indicators, it turns into when it turns red to blue, it means it is base. It turns blue to red, it means it is acid, and it doesn't happen with this litmus paper, it means that is neutral. Okay, now the next is describe the process of neutralization. I'll give you all neutralization, the process in which we mix we mix acid into bases in equal amount, it's called neutralization. Okay, now the true false, just read this true false. Then the next question is, Dogozi has a few bottle of soft drinks in his restaurant, but unfortunately these are not labeled. He has to serve the drink on the demand of of customers. One customer want two acidic drink, another wants basic, and third one want neutral drink. So what will Dorsey decide which drink is to be served to them? He will use the indicators. Okay, by the help of indicators he get which drink is acidic, which is basic, and which is neutral. Now the explain. An antacid table is taken when you suffer from acidic. Yeah, an antacid table is taken when we suffer from acidic, because in this tablet it contains the magnesium hydroxide, and hydroxide is a base, and it neutralizes the effect of the acid. Okay, next, calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bite. Yes, calamine solution used because calamine solution contains calcium oxide, and it neutralize the effect of the ant's bite. Okay, sorry, the calamine solution. Next, factory waste is neutralized before depositing it into the water bodies. Yeah, factory waste is because factory waste is acidic, and we release this acid into water. It may be the harmful for all of us. That's why the factory weights neutralized with bases. Okay, the next is three liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide, and the third is sugar solution. What will you, how will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. Okay, so we use turmeric indicator. Turmeric indicator effects on bases, and it's also effects on acids. Now the next is blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remain blue. What is the nature of the solution? The nature of this solution is neutral. Okay. Next, consider the following statement. Both acid and bases change color of all indicators. If an indicator gave a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. If an indicator change color with a base, it does not change color with acid. Change the color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which statement is correct? Both the statement B and C are wrong, and the A and D are right. Okay, so here the chapter is ended. So note down all the exercise in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, just contact me. Okay.